session, we will discuss constructor in Python. So what's constructor in Python? Now try to understand. So for this, now comes in program. So here suppose we create one class with name test. In this test class, we are defining one method with name m1, and this method is used to print hello. So this method is used to display hello. Now once you define this class, now we want to invoke this method. So now we want to execute this method. If you want to execute this method, so first of all you have required to create the object of this class. So now here we create the object of a class. So here we create one object t1 which point to the test class object. Now after creating the object, you have required to call the m1 method by t1 object. So t1 dot m1. Now m1 method executed. So now run this application and check the output. So watch here. Here we will get hello output. It means here we will get hello output. So this method will be executed once you call this method. If you not call this method after creation the object of a class, if you run this code, so watch here, you will not got any output. It means this method will be executed only when you call this method. So once you call this method, the method code will be executed. But sometimes we have requirement, we want to execute set of lines of code at the time of object creation. What's my requirement? If you want to execute set of lines of code at the time of object creation, so where we have required to place this set lines of code, that set lines of code has to need to be executed at the time of object creation. So if you want to execute set of lines of code at the time of object creation, for that Python class provide one special method. That special method is known as constructor. So for that set of lines code, the best place is a constructor, because constructor is a special method which will be invoked automatic whenever object of the class is created. So remember this point when we should go for constructor. If you want to perform any activity at the time of object creation, then we should go for constructor of a class. Clear point? What point you have to remember? When we should go for constructor of a class, if you want to perform any activity at the time of object creation, not after creation the object. If you want to perform any activity at the time of object creation, then we should go for constructor of a class. So how we can define a constructor of class? Constructor of a class is nothing. Constructor of a class is a special method. So how we can define a constructor of a class? We can define constructor of class by using init method. So init is a special method which act as a constructor for a class, and this method will invoke whenever object of a class is created. So watch here. Here we write some lines of code. So here simply we writing hello constructor, and here we writing hello method. Now here we create the object of a class. After creation the object, we are not calling any method. Now if you run this application and check the output, what output you will got it? You will got it hello constructor. It means when you create the object of a class at the time of object creation, constructor of the class will invoke automatic. So watch here, init method will execute it whenever object of the class is created. Now read this all point. Constructor are executed as the part of object creation. It means constructor will be executed whenever object of a class is created. Now another point, if you want to perform any operation, at the time of object creation, the suitable place is a constructor. So keep in your mind this point. Whenever you want to execute set up lines of code at the time of object creation, that set up lines of code we have required to place inside the constructor. So whenever object of class is created, that set lines of code will be executed. Now another point, in single word we can say constructor is a special member method which will call automatic whenever object is created. So what here? Here we are defining one method M1. M1 method will not invoke automatic. M1 method will invoke only when you call this method. But underscore underscore init underscore method will invoke automatic whenever object of a class is created. Next point, the name of the constructor should be. So what is the name of the constructor in Python? Underscore underscore init underscore underscore. So constructor of class first parameter take as a self. Now one more point you have to remember. What point? Constructor per object constructor will be executed only once. It means, so watch here. Suppose we create one object of the class. If you create another object of a class, so what happens? When you create another object of a class, it means new object will be created. It means when new object will be created, it means constructor of the class will be invoked. It means watch here. Here we got it two times hello constructor. So it means whenever object of a class is created, constructor will be invoked. Constructor will be invoked per object. Whenever new object of a class is created, then constructor of that class will be invoked. So remember this point, constructor of a class per object constructor will be executed only once. So in the life of T1 object, constructor will be executed only once. In the life of T2 object, constructor will be executed only once. But per object, constructor will be executed. So it means when you create the object of a class, then constructor of a class will be invoked. So I hope you will understand. Thank you.